Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see how to redirect standard error, standard output and standard input to a file. By using standard input, we can redirect a command or string to a file. Like in cat command, we used cat a.txt and this greater than sign is used for standard input. If I press enter, it asks to give some inputs. It's a test. And when it's done, we can press Ctrl D and it will save. Here this is a standard input. We can use that by cat greater than a.txt cat slash etc slash password. It displays the output here and we redirects the output to a new file cat b.txt. This is output redirection, and you can also use this in different ways like using pipelines. Like now the details of password file is stored in the b.txt and now I can redirect the output to a new command grep, and here I am grepping for RK. Here we are redirecting the output to a new command grep, and we used standard error in our previous videos file command like find, need to search in all directories and the name is password. If I press enter, here you can see it also displays for permission denied, but I don't need to display these errors. And by redirecting the errors, we can send the errors to a new file instead of displaying it in the terminal. For error redirection, here we need to use to and greater than symbol, and here we need to specify a file where we need to send that dev/null. Here null file is an empty file. Whatever string or output comes into the file, it will be deleted. Here you can see it only displays the file names and it hides the permission denied errors. Here I am redirecting the output and errors to another files. Let's just enter greater than symbol and file name c.txt. Here you can see only the permission denied errors are displayed. The output of the file names are hidden. Let's display that. Let's store these things in different files. Like let's redirect the output to a new file d.txt and error to e.txt. Let's display d.txt. Here the file names are displayed. These are the outputs. Let's see the errors. Here these are the errors. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.